Hello everyone, good morning. So today we will solve the last segment of this particular chapter, that is special types of quadrilateral. I have chosen 3 questions of the last segment and the rest of the questions that you have to do in your home, because I want that you have to use your brain to solve maximum number of questions and getting the output, right? So without wasting any further time, let's start. Alright, so let's just start our journey by looking at question number 8. What is question number 8? In rhombus PURE, PE equal to 3x and PU equal to this one. Find the length of each of the sides. Very easy question. In rhombus, we know that all the sides, its measurements are equal, right? We know that. So that means PU, that is equal to PE, and as well as ER, RU, all the sides are equal to each other. So that means what we need to do is, we just start by given, exactly. PURE is a rhombus. PURE is a rhombus. So after that, what we need to do is PU equal to 2x plus 3 and PE equal to 3x. In terms of centimeter, it is given. To find measurement of each side. All right. So the solution, we will write, we know each side of rhombus are equal. So after that, what we need to do, that is, therefore PU, that is equal to RE. So that means 2 of x plus 3, that is equal to 3x. So if I just break it down, so 2x plus 6 equal to 3x. So that means 6 equal to 3x minus 2x, which becomes x equal to 6. So therefore PU equal to 2x plus 3, which will become 6 plus 3, that will become 9, and 9 into 2 is 18 centimeter. So if you want to check that whether the answer is correct or not, you just do RE, that is 3x. So the value of x is 6, so 18 centimeter. Therefore length of each side of a rhombus is nothing but 18 centimeter. So that's about question number 8. It is very easy to do question. One property that we need, that is each side of a rhombus is equal, right? So let's just move on to our next question. So now let's just move on to question number 10. What is question number 10? ABCD is a rhombus whose diagonals intersect at O. If AB equal to 10 centimeter, diagonal BD equal to 16 centimeter, find the length of the diagonal AC. That is the question. So let's just first draw one rhombus. That is the shape of rhombus. All right, make ABCD as the name, and then diagonal. So this one will be the diagonal. This is the diagonal. No. So here AB equal to 10 centimeter, it is given, and BD equal to 16 centimeter, it is also given. The whole length. So find the length of diagonal AC. That is the question. Diagonal AC. So what we know that all the sides are equal, so that means this is also 10 centimeter, this is also 10 centimeter, this is also 10 centimeter. And one more thing that we have is, in the course, in a rhombus, the diagonals, they bisect each other. So that means this side will be equal to this side, and this side, that is equal to this side, and it intersect at point O, right? So that means if I just divide that BD into 2 equal parts, so each part will carry 8 centimeter, right? So that means OD equal to 8 centimeter, and as well as OB equal to 8 centimeter that we have. So let's just start. Given ABCD is a rhombus. So that is the first criteria. Therefore, AB equal to 10 centimeter, and that is also equal to AD, that is also equal to DC, and that is also equal to BC. All right, done. Then BD equal to 16 centimeter. To find AC. Solution. solution, right? We know diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other. Diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other. So therefore OD equal to OB and OA equal to OC, right? So that is 1. So from 1, OD equal to OB equal to 8 centimeter. Why? Because OD is nothing but BD by 2, which is 8 centimeter. All right. So OD and OB both are BD by 2. Okay. So BD is what? BD is the total length, and OD and OB are the mid parts, equal parts, right? So now how to find out AC? That is our concern. So right now we get 8 centimeter over here, right? So this length is 8 centimeter. If I just make this one, this is 8 centimeter that we have, and this portion is 10 centimeter. One more thing that I have discussed with you while making the video of properties of special types of quadrilateral, I have discussed with you about the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at 90 degrees. So that means this portion is 90 degree. So this angle, if this angle is 90 degree, that means that is the shape of a what? Right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. This is the shape of a triangle. This is the shape of a triangle. And which triangle it is? That is right angle triangle. So that means opposite of right angle that will be our hypotenuse. So that is 10 centimeter. Whether it could be our 8 centimeter, and now we have to find out this particular value. So that means we can find out OA by using Pythagoras theorem. So how do we do that? Just make that name OAB. Okay. So in triangle OAOB, angle AOB equal to 90 degree, right? Therefore by Pythagoras theorem, h square equal to p square plus b square, that we know, right? So what is h over here? That is ab square. So ab square equal to, either you can take this one and this one. I have discussed with you about, if I just see from this side, then this will be our base, and if I just see from this side, then this will be our base. So it will depend upon that from where we are looking at the figure. So let's say for instance BO is our perpendicular, right? So AO is our base, let's say. So AB square is nothing but 100. Why 100? Because 10 square is 100, and BO is 64 plus AO square, right? One thing that I just forgot to give, that is imply sign. So now 100 minus 64 is how much? That is 36 AO square. So we can write 36 as 6 square equal to AO square. So finally we can get AO equal to 6 centimeter. So if I get AO equal to 6 centimeter, so that means we get AO equal to 6 centimeter, and we know that OA equal to OC. I have written over there. So make it 2. So from 2 we get OA equal to OC, implies OA equal to OC equal to 6 centimeter. Therefore OA plus OC equal to AC, which becomes 6 centimeter plus 6 centimeter, that will become AC, and finally we will get AC equal to 12 centimeter. So that's all for question number 10. I hope that this concept is much more clear to you. The thing is that I'll just make one summarization part. What I just did, first of all, given part, ABCD is a rhombus, and whatever the data is given, I just written it out. So after that what I just did, that we know diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other, we know that, right? So that means OA equal to OC and OD equal to OB. That much we know. I just write it down. So that means OB and OD is nothing but 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter. Up to this, no problem. After that, what I just did, there is one property that diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at 90 degree. So I just pick 90 degree over here, and that actually forms one right angle. If you just see, this is the figure, right? There is an extra portion. If you need to draw this portion, then you can, no problem, right? Because that will make you much more better in terms of your understanding. Okay, so after that, I just pick triangle AOB, where angle AOB equal to 90 degree. By using Pythagoras theorem, I can easily find out OA. So if I just find OA from equation 2, I have OA equal to OC. So I just write it down over here, and OA and OC, they can combinedly making AC, right? So finally we get the answer of 12 centimeter as the length of AC. I hope that this question is clear. Last but not the least, I will take one more question, and after that the whole chapter is being completed, right? So let's just move on to our last question. So now let's just start our last question, that is question number 13. So how will you do it? Here ABCD is a rhombus. So first of all, write down given ABCD is a rhombus. So that means AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA, right? And one angle is given, that is angle ABD equal to 40 degree. That much given. To find BAC, first one, BAC, this one, first angle, angle 1, and then BCD, that is, let's say togetherly that will be 2, and third one is ADC. So ADC is togetherly 3, let's say, right? So now how to solve it? Solution. All right, so in triangle, this one we know that in a rhombus what happens, that the diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. Diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. So that means this angle is 90 degree. So easily we can find out 90 degree, this is 90 degree, this is 40 degree. So 90 plus 40, that is 30 degree, 130 degree, and angle 1 we can easily calculate. So we will write in triangle OAB, angle 1 plus 40 degree plus angle AOB equal to 180 degree, right? So angle 1 is nothing but angle BAC, so 40 degree plus 90 degree, that is equal to 180 degree. Simple. So angle BAC equal to 50 degree, as simple as that, right? And there is the criteria of angle sum property. Make sure you do write down the reasoning. Without reasoning, marks will be deducted for sure, right? So this is the first question done. Second one, and before second one, I think I can solve out the third one. So third one. So previously I have discussed with you about the isosceles triangle property. So what does that isosceles triangle property mean? Isosceles triangle means the two sides, if the two sides are equal, then the corresponding angles are also equal. So in this case, if you just see over here, this side is also parallel to this side. This side is also parallel to this side. So what happens is this 40 degree is exactly equal to this one, right? Why? Alternate interior angle, and as well as the corresponding angles are also equal. So that means this is also 40 degree. So 40 and 40, it becomes 80 degree. So how do we write it? Since AB is parallel to DC, therefore angle ABO or ABD will be better, ABD is equal to angle BDC, right? Alternate interior angle, so this will become angle BDC, it becomes 40 degree, right? After that, we know that in triangle ABD, AB equal to AD, so that means angle ABD is equal to angle ADB. So again, angle ADB, it becomes 40 degree. And finally we can conclude angle BDC plus angle ADB equal to which one? This part, that is ADC. You can clearly check it out that ADB this portion and BDC this portion, so togetherly that will become what? ADC. So finally we can write ADC equal to 40 degree plus 40 degree, that become 80 degree. So that much we know. So now last but not the least, how will you do this portion, this one? So for that, what we need to do is angle ABD ADC, that we just find it out, plus angle BCD, it is what? It is 180 degree. How? Co-interior angle. What is co-interior angle? If lines are parallel, then there is one transversal over here. You just see, if the lines are parallel, then there will be one transversal, and these two angles on the same side, that will become 180 degree as their sum. So like that way, these two angles are creating 180 degree because of this transversal, and the given parallel lines are this two one. Is it clear? I hope this is clear to you. So now ADC, we have the value of ADC, that is 80 degree, plus angle BCD equal to 180 degree. So finally we will get BCD equal to 100 degree. Implies. So therefore we just write from the first, BAC equal to how much we get? 50 degree. Then BCD 100 degree, and finally ADC, that is 80 degree. So that's all for this session, and that is the end of this particular chapter, that is chapter 5. I hope that during the course of all the videos you get ample amount of information, and you just try more and more questions, so that you will get some more confusion, and you just ask me, right? So that's all for this video. Thank you and have a nice day.